How many currencies do we have in the world? Here you can see the currency list from Oanda, which is a currency exchange website. The euro and the dollar are the most well known. However, there are lots of other currencies, and as a beginner you have to know where to start trading. For example, the Japanese yen is an important currency worldwide, but it is not suitable for a new trader, because the price of yen can move very quickly. So how do we choose a currency? As a beginner, we could trade between the euro and the US dollar. This means that we give euros and get dollars in exchange, or we give dollars and get euros in exchange. For beginners, for instructions purposes, I will use the euro-dollar currency pair. Can we choose another currency as well? If and only if we know a currency well, which means extremely well, we can also choose that currency for trading. For example, I spend a lot of time in Hungary, so I know the Hungarian situation much better than those who live in America or England, and only read or hear about it in the news. For example, even if somebody from the USA reads the French newspaper, he will still know almost nothing about the real French situation compared to those who actually live in France. I need to choose a currency as a pair for the Hungarian forint. Which one? The euro or the dollar is usually the best choice. I will choose the euro because I believe Hungary is situated within the European Union, so the euro is closer and probably easier to trade. If we trade online, on the internet, we must decide what type of account we will keep our money in. Should it be in euros, in dollars, or something else? If we don't know which one to choose, US dollar might be the best choice. US dollars being the reserve currency of the world. However, I will choose euros because euro is part of the euro-USD currency pair, and it is also part of the Hungarian forint euro currency pair. So euro looks like a better choice. In Google, I can enter the term 1 euro in HUF, which will give the middle price of the euro in Hungarian forints. And here is the middle price. 1 euro is 286.5753 Hungarian forints. Here are the middle prices of some currencies. What is the middle price? This is the fair price which I get when I do business with a honest business partner. At this price, neither one of us will make a profit or a loss. This is a fair price. It is right in the middle. Let's examine What kind of prices we find on the street today? In a shop they give 240 forints for 1 euro. This is not a fair price. Let's calculate how much profit they are making from us. They make 46.57 forints on each euro. I don't like when somebody tries to make money on me. So I go to a nearby bank, and here they make a profit of only 9 Hungarian forints on each euro. Railway stations, we should believe, where it is customary to change money, but in reality, this is where they make the biggest profit on us. 60.43 forints on each euro. The picture is blurred because they turned off the information board when I got close to the desk with my camera, so I had to take the picture with a zoom lens from far away. The next place where many people change money is at a hotel, and here again they make 36.57 forints on each euro as a profit for themselves. Now let's look at some street exchanges. Here only 3.57 forints, not as bad as the previous one. The best currency exchange rate we could find in Budapest was near the Blaha Luisa Square. Here they made only 2.57 forints profit on each euro. This is exactly the type of place that we are looking for if we want to trade and change our currency. Currently the best exchange rates are available on the internet, at an online broker. As you can see from the picture, less than 1 Hungarian forint profit on each euro. It's practically impossible to find a rate as good as this on the street. In the following videos, we learn how to trade and how much profit we can make in theory on Forex. We learn how to find and trade with these very good prices as shown in the picture. These videos are very short. They contain a huge amount of information in less than 10 minutes. So you might want to view them more than once. We can also do the actual course where a trainer will spend as much time with us as possible.